Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you're doing well. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 in your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So to install Windows 10 in your PC, first of all you have to have the ISO file of Windows 10, which you can get from Microsoft official webpage. I'll put the link in the description below. Just download the ISO file and mount it to your pen drive or disk, whatever you have, and you're good to go. Now here you can see my C drive is low on storage and it's been a while since I reinstalled Windows 10 in my PC. So here's my pen drive and I have copied all the files in here and made it a bootable pen drive. As soon as I insert it in my PC, you can see it here, and here is all the files. Now close everything and shut down your PC. Now press the power button again, and as soon as you see the logo of your PC, keep pressing the boot key to bring up the BIOS setting. The boot key can be different in different PC, but in most laptop and PC it's just F12 or F2. Actually you have to find it out yourself. Just search it on the Google with your PC model and you'll find it. After that you will see this BIOS setup. Actually installing Windows 10 is not a very hard task. If you know what you have to do, then everything is easy. So go to BIOS setup and here you can see my laptop info, by the way. Anyway, go to boot option and from here select your pen drive, which in my case is the third one. So select it and drag it on top of everything. Then click on apply changes and OK. And click on exit. Then it will restart your PC and here you can see the Windows 10 installation interface. From here select your language, your time format and keyboard layout. Then click on next. Then click on install now. From here select the OS you like. I'm gonna select the Windows 10 Pro, and by the way there's a difference between Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Pro N. The difference is that you won't find multimedia integration in Windows 10 Pro N. So I'm gonna select the Windows 10 Pro. After selecting the OS, click on next. Click on I accept license terms and next. From here click on custom installation and then from here select your C drive. I would recommend you, before starting all of this, check the storage of a main C drive and it will be easier for you to select the C drive from here. So after selecting your C drive, click on format and OK, and it will format the whole C drive. Then again select your C drive and click on next. Now it's just a matter of time to install Windows 10 in your PC. After that the PC will restart itself a couple of times, so don't worry about it. After some time you will see an interface like this. So from here select your region and click on yes. Then select your keyboard layout from here and again click on yes. Or if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can do it from here as well. For now I'm gonna skip it. Now it will basically ask you to update your PC, which you can do it if you have a good Wi-Fi connection. But for now I would like to skip it. Then it will ask you to choose whether you want to use it for your personal work or for an organization. So choose personal use because we are just installing it for ourselves. And then next. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft email. So I'm going to quickly sign in here, and if you don't want to do it, then just click on offline account. Then it will ask you to set up a PIN for your PC. So create a PIN and add your PIN here and OK. Then it will ask you to show activity history across many devices. So click on no. Then it will ask you to use your phone from a PC. If you want to do it, then just click on remind me later, or if you don't want to do it, then just click on no thanks. Then it will ask you to backup your files in OneDrive. If you don't want to do it again, then just click on only save files to this PC. I'm gonna click on next. Now it will ask you to enable Cortana, which I don't need it, so I'm gonna click on decline. Then you have to adjust the privacy setting. So I don't need to turn on the location and find my device, as I don't go out with my laptop, and you can even turn off this advertising ID if you want to do it. And then click on accept. And there you go, you have your new Windows 10 Pro in your PC. And. And after this, definitely make sure to update your PC and all of your drives. So that's how you install Windows 10 in your PC. So that's for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. My name is Simon, and I'll see you in the next one.